Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dindi Nafiresma Putri, NPM 22411185 dari Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Di sini saya akan menyampaikan materi dari manajemen pemasaran jasa tentang Service Consumer Behavior. Introduction. Service consumer behavior is the foundation of business success in the service sector. Unlike goods, service have unique characteristics such as interchangeability, non-storage, and inseparability from the consumption process. This makes service consumer behavior more complex because they often cannot evaluate the quality of service before purchase. Understanding how consumers think, make decisions, and evaluate service allows companies to provide relevant, personalized, and more valuable service. It also helps companies create satisfying customer experience, build loyalty, and gain competitive advantage in an increasingly competitive market. Unique characteristic of service consumer behavior. Number 1. Uncertainty in decision making. The inchangeable nature of service makes it difficult for consumers to evaluate quality before purchase. For example, a consumer seeking a healthcare service cannot be sure whether the service received will meet his or her expectation until the service is complete. To reduce this uncertainty, consumers often rely on information from external resources such as customer reviews, recommendations from friends or family, and the reputation of the service provider in the market. Therefore, service companies need to ensure that their image and reputation remain positive. Building good customer reviews, offering quality assurance, and providing transparent information to potential customers are some ways to reduce this uncertainty. Number 2. Experience orientation. Service consumers often evaluate their experience as a whole, not just based on the end results. In such experience, factors such as the friendliness of the staff, the speed of service, the cleanliness of the facility, and the atmosphere of the place can influence consumers' perceptions of service quality. For example, restaurant customers may judge a dining experience not only by the taste of the food, but also by the way the waiter serves them, the atmosphere of the room, and the time it takes to serve the food. Businesses that understand the importance of customer experience tend to be more successful in retaining loyalty. Therefore, companies need to ensure that every point of interaction with customers creates a positive and consistent experience. Number 3. Emotional involvement. In many cases, purchasing service involves significant emotional aspects. For example, consumers who use educational or healthcare service often expect to receive high levels of attention and empathy from the service provider. Even for entertainment service such as travel, consumers seek experience that can provide emotional satisfaction such as happiness, calmness, or joy. Service providers need to ensure that their interaction with customers reflect attention and empathy. Training staff to understand customers' emotional needs and create warm relationship can increase satisfaction and build long-term relationship with customers. Number 4. Desire for personalization. Service consumers have different needs and preferences. Therefore, they often expect service that can be customized to their individual needs. For example, in the tourism industry, customers may want to customize their travel package based on their destination interests or budget preference. Service providers that are able to offer personalized service tend to be more successful in building customer loyalty. Technologies such as CRM or customer relationship management can be used to collect customer data and offer relevant and customized service. Number 5, responsive to price and value. Service consumers tend to evaluate value based on the comparison between the benefits they receive and the costs they incur. They look for a balance between the quality of service and the price they pay. For example, a customer of a beauty salon may be willing to pay more if the service provided is of premium quality and offers a pleasant experience. Service companies can increase the perceptions of value by providing additional offers, such as discounts, bundle package, or additional services that are free of charge. This helps to increase the attractiveness of their offerings to consumers. Consumer behavior stage in purchasing service. Number 1, need recognition. The first stage in consumer behavior is need recognition, where the consumer recognizes a need or a problem that requires a solution through a particular service. For example, someone who is experiencing back pain may recognize a need for massage or physical therapy service. This, this need can be triggered by an internal condition, such as pain, or an external factor, such as a recommendation from a friend. Service companies need to create awareness of their service through target promotions. The use of social media, advertising, or educational content can help potential customers realize that their service or the solution they need. Number 2, information search. After recognizing a need, consumers typically search for information about service providers that can meet that need. At this stage, they may use a variety of search, such as online reviews, this company website, social media, or recommendation for people they trust. In the digital age, a strong online presence is essential to attracting consumers. Companies need to ensure that information about their service is easily accessible and give a professional impression. Number 3, evaluation of alternative. Consumers typically compare multiple service providers based on factors such as reputation, price, location, and customer testimonials. For example, someone looking for a delivery service might compare companies based on delivery time, cost, and customers' reviews. Companies that want to excel at this stage need to highlight the uniqueness of their service, such as speed, quality, or other added value. Positive testimonials and reviews from previous customers also play an important role in this stage. Number 4, purchase and consumption of service. After selecting a service provider, consumers make a purchase and experience the service directly. At this stage, customer experience becomes a key factor in determining their satisfaction. Companies need to ensure that the purchase process runs smoothly and that the service experience delivers match expectation. Any discrepancy between expectation and reality can affect customers' perception of service quality. Number 4, post-consumption evaluation. After using the service, consumers evaluate whether the service met, exceed, or fell short of their expectation. The result of this evaluation will influence their decision to use the service again or recommend it to others. Companies need to solicit feedback from customers to understand their experience and identify areas for improvement. This action not only helps improve the service but also shows that the company cares about its customers. Conclusion: service customer behavior is complex and influenced by many factors, from needs to experience and post-purchase evaluation. By understanding these unique characteristics, companies can create more effective marketing and service strategies. Sekian penjelasan materi dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.